What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Alex and we're just installing more parts on the Denali Build. So today I seen something on Amazon and I thought it looked pretty sweet. It's a little switchback LEDs for the tow mirrors. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So the tow mirrors are these. So that's what the stock ones look like. So yes, this is what the clearance lights look like. They're pretty much clearance lights. There is no turn signal here at all. This is just, you know, as daytime running lights. And the turn signal is inside here. So what I bought is a kit from Amazon. I'll have the link in the bottom in the description. And it's supposed to be a sequential switchback turn signal LEDs. So let's install it. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. So open the box, extra stuff. Here's your instructions, how to remove the mirrors, where to unplug it. This is supposed to be plug and play. So these are the wire harnesses and plugs that came with it. And here's the actual lights. I chose the smoke ones because you guys seen mine were already tinted. I tinted them. So I like that, just the smoked out look, because it is a black truck and we're gonna black out the rest of the truck. So yeah, and then you just take off this saran wrap and it's gonna be, yeah, just nice and black and tinted. So alright, I'm gonna go install them on one of the lights, just so then we don't waste no time, and just to make sure they're all plug and play, and then we'll install the second light together. Alright, so I installed one, everything's good. So now we're gonna do this side. So first thing is, you slide the mirror out all the way, and then you gotta remove these. These are, well, it's kind of scary, but you just pull this one right here. That's it. Just push the top in, and then from here, from the bottom. There you go. That's kind of scary to do. And then you just unplug these. Oh, why wasn't this one plugged in? Interesting. But yeah, unplug this little plug. Alright, and then with the T15, you gotta unscrew all 5 of these screws. And then this comes off. Be careful of the wires. Right here, you gotta unplug this. This plug, this is just for the backup lights. Alright, next, so you got 2 screws right here. This is actually holding the LED right here. 1, and then here's another one. 2. So just unscrew those. There you go. It's just a little plug. You gotta push this little tab right here. Push that, and then it's gonna unplug. Just this little silicone or rubber piece around it makes it kind of hard to get to. But now we can remove it. So yeah. That's what it looks like. Just these tabs. That's where it screws on. That's where the plug goes. It'll tell you left hand side or right. So you gotta make sure it's the right one. And then this is the harness that we got with it. And then you just plug this one into here. This one you plug into the factory harness that was plugged into our mirror, and then this you plug into the mirror. And these are a little bit different. That's the stock one. It's a little slimmer. I thought it's not gonna fit, but actually you could. It does fit, and everything works good. You just put it onto little tabs right there, and then push this closer. Make sure everything lines up. There you go. Now it's all in place. It's a good idea to actually hold the mirror so the mirror doesn't go anywhere, so you can actually tighten them and it doesn't move. Right there. Before I forget, this plug it back into the light. So just the same way. the plastic back on. Plug in the reverse light. Alright, so once you put all the screws back in, let's start plugging in our wires. So this is just one red wire. Plug it in. Put those these wires right here back into these, and then this plug goes into here. So pretty much we're just piggybacking off the turn signal off of here, and it's sending the signal to the outside. That's it. Kind of nerve-wracking to press on the mirror that hard. So that's it. Alright guys, so the install is done. It was pretty easy, just those plugs are so tiny, you gotta really be careful with those so you don't like rip the wire or break little pins. But yeah, it looks pretty awesome. It just looks exactly the same like the one that I had, the one that tinted, but the difference is, and then it just switches back to white. So this is going to be the daytime running lights. This is where you're going to drive with. And then turn signal, that's what it's going to do. Pretty awesome. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a simple tutorial of how to install this. Well, this is my first time installing this, so we were installing it together. I'm going to have the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up for your Chevy, GMC. It works on a lot of these tow mirrors if it's the same style like this. So yeah, alright guys, I'll see you guys next video.